No, guys, not a Ponzi. Yes, there is a referral link, but any referral taken, it will be able to track on the blockchain. It is going to the BrunoEx investors. I'm going to do probably a spin the wheel. I'm going to give all the referral money because I get 1% of the deposits each month, guys. That's it, 1%. Somebody puts in $1,000, I'm going to get $10. Then I'm giving it to the BrunoEx investors when the deposit closes, period. You can track on the blockchain. You think I'm lying? I don't care. This is part of me rebuilding trust and everything into the people who lost in BrunoEx. This is what it looks like, guys. This is just one part of it. We've got Bernard Bonds coming up. We've got DexFi still. It is all coming together, and EarnFi is going to be amazing. It's been back tested for 6 months. It is built by the only one and only AJ Brockman from EMP Fusion, EMP Money, Honor versus Madness. I mean, he's done it all, guys. He painted a picture, a digital picture for the president, Barack Obama. If you can't trust him, who can you trust? Guys, it's built by him and his team. AJ oversees it. He is the only one with the keys to the wallet. EMP has been here for 4 years. I'm heavy into EMP, obviously, since day one. AJ is my guy. He's the only person I trust. And he's not going anywhere. He's doxed everything. Everybody knows where he lives. Florida, doesn't matter. All right, guys? That is what we're doing. It is called EarnFi, all right? It's a prediction market AI agent and powerful automated platform using the latest in AI technology to predict stock and Nasdaq trends with 98% accuracy and only 1% risk. Yes, 1% drawdown, ladies and gentlemen, okay? No blowing accounts, no stupidness here, all right? All tracked on the blockchain. All right, this is your chance to pay with crypto and get your hands, get your feet in the door into the Nasdaq, S&P 500, gold, everything, all right? It's all overseen by AJ, of course. They designed the AI bot, all right? It's Auto Vault automates the trading, analyzing tons of data, charts, news, and more to make fast, reliable moves based on math, not emotions. With strong risk controls, it aims for sustainable monthly returns, letting your investments grow effortlessly without exposure to crypto markets. Okay? This is Nasdaq, guys, S&P 500. The AI trading bot is taking past trades, it's taking news, analyzing markets. They have set this bot up to be 100%, 98% efficient, okay? March, they did 26.4%. In May, or in April, it's looking right around 15%, okay? This round ends on Sunday, okay? Then deposits open up for 48 hours only. And then it starts again, 28-day cycles, guys, all right? So this is your chance to get into AI trading bot that trades on the Nasdaq and the S&P 500. I am super excited. There is going to be a link you can get into on Sunday morning at 8. You have until Tuesday morning at 8 a.m. Central Standard Time, okay, guys? Sunday morning, 8 a.m. Central Standard Time to Tuesday morning, 8 a.m. Central Standard Time. It is payable in USDC, ETH on Ethereum mainnet only, right? So if you want to get in, pack your bags, USDC, ETH on ETH mainnet. That's the only deposit. I'll have a link in the description. If you decide to get in, I don't care, whatever you want to do. Go into something else. Go into the other ones. All these other YouTubers are saying 11% a day, 10% a day, 8% a day. Come on, guys. We've all been through this, right? It doesn't work, okay? It works for a week. You see it. It's everywhere, okay? They're going to provide, AJ is going to be sending me screenshots. It's going to be in the Telegram group of the actual bot making the trade, what it traded, what the income is. I'm going to bring you to the website because it's in beta right now. I'll show you that. I'll show you March's gains. April's isn't done yet because it ends on Sunday, okay? But it's going to end up between 12 and 15%, somewhere in there. I'm super excited about that. So this is our chance to get into the Nasdaq and S&P 500 paying with crypto. I love that. Nobody else is doing this. Nobody else is showing the trades, okay? Like AJ is going to, right? It'll all be posted in the Telegram group every day, all right? Totally transparent. Now, everyone's saying, what are the returns, Ryan? Well, aiming for 6% a month in 28 days, guys, okay? So if it's more than 6%, it's a 60-40 split with 60% going to the user, 40% going to the team, all right? But 6% is the goal. So let's do the quick math. March's gains were 26.4%. My math tells me 6%, they made an extra 20, 60% of that is about 12. You'd have made a hair over 18% in March, okay? Now April is gonna be 12 to 15% gains. So there's your 6%. You're gonna be making another 6 to 9%. We get 60% of that. You're looking between 3 to 5. So you made 9 to 11% in the month of April when it ends on Sunday, all right? It's like the 18th to the 18th of every month. That's amazing gains. I don't know where else anybody's getting 6 to 18% a month. You guys let me know, because I'm in 100%, all right? Especially from a team that is doxed, AJ himself. He owns the wallet, he owns the keys, he owns the protocol, all right? He foresees everything. Everybody knows AJ, okay? He's doxed. It's very, very important these days. Everybody else is just behind a camera, okay? That's what it is. There's no fake crap going on here. Plus, I get a 1% commission when you use my link, guys. That 1% is going to BrunoEx investors. We're gonna have a fun little way. I don't say we get $1,000 to disperse, or $100, or whatever it's gonna be. It doesn't matter. I'm probably gonna put everyone's name on a wheel. We'll do a live, spin the wheel. That person's getting $1,000. Okay? I'm not gonna pay out 100 wallets and over $1,000. It's just not gonna happen, guys. All right? I'm not gonna spend the time. Someone's gonna be a lucky winner every single month. Okay? Unless we get a huge bag going on where 1%, could be giving out 10 grand, right? Well, then we'll start dispersing to every wallet, because $100 is better than, $100 a month is better than nothing, right? Better than nothing. It is my way of giving back to you to regain trust. I told you from day one, that is what we're here for. So USDC, ETH on the Ethereum mainnet, that's how you're gonna pay. It's only $100 minimum. There are no fees in, there are no fees out. The team only gets paid if it's gonna be above 6%. Then it's a 60-40 split, anything above, all right? Trades are gonna be shown from a docs team. I do not know what else you want for transparency. Everything's gonna be shown, and I love that. AJ always has, he always will. I'm super excited about it. I think it's bullish. For those of us who don't have time to watch the charts in the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq and the gold, I sure don't have the time to do it. I will be going in heavy into EarnFi because I'm super excited about it. Now, let's go to the, it's like we're still in beta, guys, all right, till Sunday. So the website isn't completely finished, but we could show the gains, we could show the vaults, and let's go through it. All right, here it is, guys. We've only been testing with $2,100, okay? It's not a huge amount of money, all right? There is more that's not on here. Actually, the TVL is about like 15 to 20 grand, all right? But this is just in the dApp, all right? You connect your wallet up here. You do everything right on the dApp. EarnFi, prediction market AI agent, leverage collective intelligence, predict market moves, passive growth. 98% prediction success rate, 1% max drawdown, 24/7 AI market analysis, 30% average monthly returns. Now, that's, if the market's killing it. I don't know if we should say 30% monthly average, because if you take April, March, and April's, you're looking at about like 22. So, it is what it is, guys. Experience our AI in action. Here it'll show, you guys can watch this video when you go to the site. I'll put everything in the description, and you can see it shows how big the bag has grown over time. It'll show the percentages. We're not going to play with that right now. Prediction market auto vault. Our AI agent analyzes vast data sets, technical indicators, news sentiment, economic data, and alternative sources to forecast stock and Nasdaq movements with unparalleled accuracy. Risk assessment. Sophisticated risk models assess market volatility, correlation, and potential black swan events, providing robust predictions within defined confidence levels. Vault strategy automation. The Auto Vault gives you access to real-time market prediction signals, by integrating directly with our automated strategies based on the collective intelligence of our AI agent network. AutoVault features. Our platform leverages swarms of prediction market AI agents whose collective predictions power automated vault strategies. It is leverage trading, ladies and gentlemen, all right? But never more than 1% drawdown.